Today you will get to know my trading levels, and I will show you very big resistance which we have to the upside. But first, let's talk about our support. So after rejecting from the high of the range, again you would say, we have found support at the point of control of this whole range. So that is not a surprise for us, because we know that point of control and value area high, value area low, the low of the range, the high of the range is very important levels in day trading. So yeah, let's look at our support, which we have right now. First of all, we can first pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this low, from where it got impulsive. And what we can see yeah, we've got a golden pocket right here also at the point of control. So that is additional confluence to our bounce from here. We have already bounced for 1.5%. So that is really great. But what I want to show you is another level, which we have right here at the 786 Fibonacci level. Why it is an important level for me? Well, because if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, right here, you can see that we have this low. So what we can do is to test this low again, swing failure pattern it. That would be really nice to take this low and to go higher. And also, what is very important is that we have a 15 minutes order block. As you can see, price started to go to the upside. We formed one single bearish candle. After that, the price went to the upside really quick. So that is considered to be an order block. And this is very important because we have a lot of shorts trapped right here. So at the first touch of this level, we can expect a basically bounce in the price, because shorts would be closing their positions at break even. So yeah, I think this is very important. And also what we have is the weekly level right here. This yellow line is the weekly level, and it is another confluence to our level, and that is why I think that this is very important. So we know our support right here. Let's look at another support a little bit lower. So what we can do right now is to pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this low, like let me align it like that, to the high. And now what we can see that we have a golden pocket right here. What is the confluence to this, you would ask? And very simply, what we have is the monthly and daily levels. They are in the middle of our golden pocket, and that is why it is important. Basically, it is a very nice confluence. Keep in mind that right here, we have no market structure built. So in other words, no consolidation was there. And that is why price can go through this level just simply like there was no confluence at this level, because we didn't build any support. As price went to the upside, it can go down basically in the same way. So yeah, as we know our support levels, let's look right now at the resistance. And I said to you that resistance is massive for today, and I'll show you why. So let me hide some things, and let's look at this section of the price action. We can zoom in, and yeah, again, we can pull our Fibonacci retracement tool. As you can see, I love it, and it is being respected very well. We pull it from the high to the low, and what we can see right here, what we have is a golden pocket and 786. But first, let's look at the golden pocket, why it is important. I want to show you my previous day basically levels. And what do we have right here? Do you see this zone? We have 4 levels of confluence already from the previous day info basically. So what we have is the daily high. Then we have previous day equilibrium, daily open, and previous day point of control. That is all in our golden pocket, and this is already a very massive resistance in my opinion. Also, what you can see is that we have a little higher 0.66 level, 0.66, And basically it is a zone of 0.3%. But it is not the end, because what we can also do is pull our fixed range tool from where we can see we have a consolidation. As you can see from right here, price started to consolidate till it broke out to the downside. What we can see is that we have also have a point of control of this basically whole range at the golden pocket. So this is another big confluence to this level. And just higher, we have a value area high. As you can see, I marked it also right here, previous day value right here, and the range value area right here. So what I would say generally is that we have a zone of resistance right here, and if it will be cleared, what I will look for is to swing failure these highs. That also lines up really well with our 786 Fibonacci retracement level. And basically, if price will close back inside of the value area of this range, I can expect a price to go at least to the point of control and then to the value area low. If we break out from this range, then we can look for the lower basically prices. And the last confluence to this level is the weekly level. As you can see, it is also in our golden pocket basically zone. So this makes it a very, very strong resistance. However, I will not preset a limit order right here. Why? Just because if price, if basically your key level has a lot of I would say a lot of confluence, this key level has, it doesn't mean that price will 100% reject from this level or find support. Price can go through this level like there was nothing right here, like there was no confluence at this level. So that is why I'm always saying that wait for the reaction and then decide to take the trade or not to take the trade. The most important thing is not to lose the money in this market and protect your portfolio. So that is it. Hope you liked it, and bye.